What's happening, guys? It's your man K RZA, Kaschmiere coming to you live and direct from the Freelife Network. I want to introduce this to my artists, my performing artists, my actors, my actresses, my producers, directors. This is something that's going to help you with your career financially. We're going to show you how to put money in your pocket by eliminating all of your monthly bills, living 100% bill free while bringing in money. Let's dive right into this thing, guys. The first thing that I'm going to do, I want to show you how I'm going to put $2,500 into your pockets, like immediately. $2,500. Let's dive right into this, man. The performing artist community is exploding with talent all across the globe. Unfortunately for the actors, actresses, musicians, performers, directors, and producers, their incomes depend greatly on the work that they are able to secure. During downtime, during the time you're looking for this work, expenses and the simple cost of living can prove to be hectic, but not anymore. The Freelife Network has created a way to help the performing artist secure income based upon the principles of crowdfunding. Based upon the principles of crowdfunding. Everyone is familiar with GoFundMe and the other crowdfunding platforms that are being used on a daily basis to help people to accumulate funds. What we have now created is a powerful yet simple platform that can be used by all performing artists to assist with their most important financial struggles, which is the daily cost of living. Imagine, guys, what your life as a performing artist, actor, singer, producer would be like if you did not have to pay any more monthly bills, no more rent/mortgage payments, no more car loan insurance payments, no more utility bills and services costs, no more life essential costs. For those that don't know, life essentials is the money you spend at Target, Walmart, right on your dishwashing, liquid, food, things of that nature. What if you had money coming in also for your lifestyle? That means you can live that great lifestyle as an actor, rent limousines, health club memberships, travel, everything an actor, actress, performing artists want to do, you could do it using this simple yet powerful program. Your life would change dramatically, right? If you had these things eliminated and had that money coming in. What I'm about to introduce to you is a crowdfunding strategy that we created in 2012. It was created and it is helping our members to live 100% rent-free. Since that time, it has been transformed into a system to provide financial assistance to the performing artist community. We altered this thing, man, and created something just for the performing artists, right? This powerful system can help artists to achieve financial freedom while helping them to evolve as the aspiring performing artists that they wish to be. See, now you can focus upon your artistry, right? That's a great thing, right? What is crowdfunding? Let's take a quick look at this so you'll understand how we're doing this thing. Crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet and or offline. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and considered a great source for alternative financing. In the year 2015, over $34 billion was raised worldwide by crowdfunding programs. What if we could have got like 1% of that 34 billion? We'd be straight, wouldn't we? Well, here we go, guys. That's where we are now. So a much more simple definition would be this. Crowdfunding is people simply helping people. As we go along, we want to network and help each other with this crowdfunding platform, okay? Let's look at our target objective. Our objective is to eliminate all monthly bills, which will help members of the performing artist community to focus on their particular craft. Many people struggle monthly trying to make ends meet just in order to have enough money to cover bills and family needs. When you couple these expenses with trying to work as an actor or actress, musician or performer, there just isn't enough time or money to go around. We figure that if we can eliminate the monthly bills and install monthly income coming into your pockets, financial freedom can be obtained in record-breaking time. Furthermore, our sights are set on the elimination of the following 6 life-draining components that might be plaguing somebody's life that's looking at this recorded webinar right now. We want to eliminate rents and mortgages. We want to eliminate car loans and insurance. That means you could drive what you want, don't have to worry about it. Eliminate utilities and services costs, life essential costs. We want to get rid of those. Life essentials, like I say, the money you spend at Walmart, Target, different places like that. And then we want to bring in money for your lifestyle. Right? Then at the end of the day, guys, we want to get rid of that dead-end 9-to-5 job so you can focus upon your acting and performing and things like that. If you don't have any bills and you have a positive income, no need to get up and go to that dead-end job, right? Of course not. By eliminating these specific monthly expenses, each member of the performing arts community can focus upon their artistry careers, right? Now, in our industries, others need to help each other. We got to think about that. Help yourself while helping others. The acting and performing arts community is growing fast, with people from all walks of life now catching the acting and performing bug. Everybody's loving it. With that being a known fact, the circles in each category are all connected. Each audition, stage or screen performance usually brings people together that know of or that are familiar with each other. This means that the network has already begun and it's being built by default. You guys land on these stages and y'all know each other already, right? When you're on the set of Empire, right? Y'all know each other from working on center space before, right? Imagine being able to share this great opportunity with each and every artistry individual in your circle who is also in need of financial assistance. This simple yet powerful crowdfunding platform can literally change lives all around the nation. Build your network with the people that you know. That's amazing, right? Now let's look at crowdfunding and the tax base so you don't have to worry about that. In 2018, 2019, the annual exclusion, which means that how much taxes you would have to pay on the gift, is like this. $15,000 and below, you don't have to worry about taxes, right? 15,000, let's say 15,100, you would have to pay taxes on that $100 because it's above the $15,000 cap. Over here, you don't have to worry about it because the only thing we're collecting from each member as they're working with you is $6,000. You're only going to be receiving $6,000 per year per person in crowdfunding. That means that you are so far below that 15, it's ridiculous. You don't even have to worry about it. So taxes are taken care of. And another quick tip is we're going to show you how to do it with Bitcoin. That way you don't even have to worry about it. Now, it's not mandatory to use Bitcoin, but we're going to teach you that strategy so you don't have to worry about anything, man. You can collect that Bitcoin. It's going to be getting interest. It's going to look real good to you. Now, how do we do this? We build power lines. A power line is our donation structure, which consists of one donation recipient, which is you, and a minimum. We want you to go grab a minimum of 6 people out there that can use this money. Our goal is to build as many power lines as possible. Each power line has a donation potential of $3,000. That's either in Bitcoin or USD. $3,000 per power line. Just think 10 power lines, that's $30,000, guys. And watch how easy this stuff is to build. Now, would you pay $110? Would you invest $110 one time to eliminate all of your monthly bills? Well, I did it, guys, and let me tell you something. I have no bills. I have positive income coming in. This system works. And you can check with others, and I'm going to tell you, they're going to tell you the same thing. It simply works. What you're about to see in this illustration below is a simple yet powerful crowdfunding strategy that can be used to eliminate not just some, but all of your monthly bills. This strategy is called the Freelife Network's Xtreme Power Play. The Xtreme Power Play strategy consists of a one-time donation of $110 into your sponsor's rental mortgage and bringing in 6 friends. Follow the simple yet powerful crowdfunding platform and strategy that can generate pure wealth. Let's go build some, guys. Let's build some power lines. Now, remember what I said previously. First thing I want to do is knock off 2,500, get 2,500 into your pockets. Ride with me as I do this, guys. Our fast track 2,500 is designed to put a quick 2,500 into your bank account or Bitcoin account in the next 7 days. But you're going to have to come work this with me. You can't just get 2,500 in if you're not working this with me. I'm going to show you how we do it. Let's build power line number 1, and these are our categories. First thing we're looking at is what we're eliminating. Rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills. We're going to be bringing in, a little more extra money, but we're going to be knocking these out. Rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utilities, life essential costs, and bringing you in some good money for your lifestyle. These are our donation package because you're building a portfolio. The portfolio consists of these 5 pages. You're going to be doing that based upon $100 per page, okay? Don't worry about it. Nothing is going to come out of your pocket after your initial, and I'm going to show you how to put that $100 you spent right back in your pocket, so you're going to be here for free. That's why we call it Freelife, okay? These are our donors. Remember I told you grab 6 friends, right? This is the amount received based upon the 6 friend time the $100. These are our upgrades. Remember I said these packages 100, and this is spillover. This is money that you get to keep. Let's ride into this thing so you can see it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to send $100 into your sponsor's rent and mortgage. That's going to open up the rents and mortgage donation category for you. Now you're able to receive money into your rents and mortgage page. You're going to send the 100 in. You're going to bring in 6 people. That's it. Just bring in 6 off the bat so you can see how it works. Now, with those 6, you're going to receive 100 times the 6, which is 600. You're going to pinch off 100, send it into your car loan. you're going to take possession of your sponsor's car loan page for your portfolio. Now, your portfolio has rent, mortgage, and car loan, okay? Now, here come your 6 people following you up. Now, not only did you take possession of that, but you only used 100 from the 6, which gave you 500 in the bank. That's your spendable money now, guys. Look how quick $100 turned into 5, right? Now, your people are going to follow you into the car loan insurance because they want that page too. Time to 6 people, $600. Pinch off another 100 and go into your utilities. Open that one up, put it in your portfolio, right? That's going to leave you another 500. Here come your 6 people following you in because they're duplicating your efforts, because duplication is the key to success over here, right? Right, of course it is. Here come your people following you into utilities at 100. Same 6 donors. That's going to give you $600. Pinch off another 100. Take possession of life essentials. That's going to leave you another 500. You're already $1,500 up from a $100 simple investment. Did you get your money back? Of course you did. Now, here come your people following you up into the $100 level for life essentials, putting that into their portfolio just as you did. Time to 6 people, $600. Brought in again, pinch off 100, take possession of your last crowdfunding portfolio piece, which is the lifestyles, which is going to leave another 500. Here come your team members going in, same way, taking possession of that lifestyle page, same 6 donors, another 600 in, but this time, you've already taken possession of the last page, you have nothing else to invest. The 100 that they just gave you right from the 6 is your 100 you spent to come in, which means that you just broke even. So that means that total you brought in $3,000 for that power line, minus the 500 that paid for each one of these pages, leaving you $2,500. Bam! You got $2,500 plus your 100 you invested is back in your pocket. No one has ever done this before, guys. Let's do another power line. Same thing now. The only difference is you have nothing to invest, nothing else to send up. You're just going to share this with 6 more great individuals following that same procedure. They're going to take possession of the rent and mortgage, times 6 more people. This is a new 6, right? That's going to be $600 came in, but 0 going out because you already own that crowdfunding page, 600 in your account. Then they're going to upgrade for the 100 just like your previous team did. Time to 6 people, 600 again. Nothing going out, another 600 in your account. Now, they're going to upgrade into utilities and service for that 100. 600 in your pocket again. Nothing going out, 600 earned. Continue that progression for the last 2 pages for a total of 3,000 in. Add that 3,000 with the 2,500 from power line number 1. Boom. That gives you $5,500 in your pocket. Another power line, guys. Same thing. Nothing to invest from you. Go grab another hot 6 people. Bring them in. They're going to take possession of rents and mortgage from your portfolio package, right? Nothing out of your pocket. You're going to collect 100. Everything is pure profit now. 6 people, new 6. This means this is your 18 people you done brought in so far. You're already over $5 grand just with 18 stars that you helping. 6 people, $600. Nothing out, 600 earned. They're going to go into the car loan insurance for 100 each, time to 6. 600 earned, nothing going out of your pocket, another 600 in the bank. Continue that progression, knock out that power line, another 3,000 earned, add it with your 55 from the previous 2 power lines. Bam, you're at $8,500. Let's do the last power line. I like to do them in 4s. That illustrates 4 weeks of work, guys, if you really want to look at it. You're going to bring in a fresh 6. Right? That's $100 from him going into their rents and mortgage. Another 600 came to you, nothing out, 600 earned. Continue that progression, knock that power line out, guys. Let them take possession of those portfolio pieces that you already own and not paying anything on them, right? That's going to give you another 3,000. Add that 3,000 with your previous 8,500 from your past 3 power lines. This is residual, guys. This coming in residually every month. And you're not paying anything because it's being paid for by your first member. So you don't have to worry about it. He don't worry about it because it's being paid for by his first member. Bam. Add that 8,500 with another 3 grand, 11,500, guys. Amazing. Now, this is something that anybody can do, guys. All you have to do is want to get over here and change your life with Freelife Xtreme. You put $11,000 in your pocket in no time flat from a $110 investment while helping others to succeed in our industry. I'm an actor just like you, so trust me, I get it. These expenses are crazy. So there you have it, man. Welcome, guys. Come on over here, get started, and I welcome you to Free Life Extreme. Kaschmiere Rich, your man. I am out.